If you've ever managed projects in Jira, you know how sprints can come and go in the blink of an eye. But what if you want to revisit previous sprints? To check what was completed, review how things went, or maybe prep a report for your team? In today's video, I'll show you 2 reliable ways to look up and dig into closed sprints in Jira, so you'll never lose track of your project's history. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly where to find old sprints and how to bring up all the details you need. Let's dive right in, starting with the first method, using the Reports section in your Jira project. So from your project's board, look for the sidebar on the left. There you'll notice a Reports option. Go ahead and click on that. The Reports section is like Jira's dashboard for insights into your project activity. Now, from the list that drops down, find and select Sprint Report. This is a powerful tool that not only shows you the sprint you just finished, but can also pull up any sprint that's been closed in the past. Now, up at the top of the sprint report, you'll see something called the sprint selector. It usually looks like a drop-down menu. If you click there, you'll get a full list of every sprint ever run on this board, regardless of how far back they go. This is incredibly handy if you sometimes feel like old sprints have disappeared into the void. They're all here, just a couple of clicks away. Simply scroll through, find the sprint you're interested in, and select it. Instantly, you'll see details like which issues were completed, what got carried over, who did what, and even burn down insights. If you like visualizing progress over time or want to troubleshoot something that happened a few sprints ago, this is your go-to tool. But sometimes you need even more control. Maybe you want to see every single issue linked to past sprints or filter by specific criteria. That's where Jira's advanced search, called JQL or Jira Query Language, comes in. To get there, head to Issues in the top menu and choose Search for Issues. By default, you'll see a basic search interface, but we want more power, so find and switch to JQL mode at the top right of the search bar. This might seem a little technical at first, but don't worry. With one simple query, you can zero in on exactly what you need. Now, to search for issues within a specific sprint, you'll need to know that sprint's exact name. The formula is straightforward. Type sprint equals in all caps, then in quotation marks, the sprint's name. For example, sprint equals sprint 12. As soon as you run this, Jira will bring up every issue that was part of that sprint, no matter where it lives now. But what if you can't remember the sprint's name? That happens all the time, especially if your team runs a lot of sprints. Here's a quick tip. Hop back to the Reports section, open up the sprint report, and use the selector to look through past sprints. When you click on one, check out the page title, or even the URL at the top of your browser. Jira usually shows you the full sprint name right there. Now you can just copy and paste it straight into your JQL search. So, whether you're prepping for a retrospective, hunting down an old issue, or reporting on team progress, you've got 2 solid ways to bring old sprints out of the archives in Jira. Give these steps a try in your own project, and you'll always have the project history you need at your fingertips. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit that like button. It really helps the channel. And if you have any questions about sprints or Jira in general, drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more practical guides just like this. See you in the next video.